All right, we're going to be using function notation on a quadratic today. We're going to start with this h of x equation. And it says h of x equals x squared minus 2x plus 9. And it says find the following, h of -4 and h of 6. All right, well, you'll see that x there. And what this x is just simply saying is this is our input. Okay, so where it says h of -4, that is going to be our input. And as we write this, what we're going to do is we're going to say h of -4, and anywhere I see an x, I am going to put the value -4 because that is our input. So I'm going to put parentheses -4 squared minus 2 times -4 plus 9. And from here, we're just going to go ahead and simplify this down. So I'm going to say h of -4 equals, well, I know -4 squared is -4 times -4, which is positive 16. -2 times -4 is positive 8 plus 9. And then I'm just going to go ahead and simplify it all down. 16 plus 8 is 24. 24 plus 9 is going to be 33. So we have h of -4 equals to 33. Now, what does that come out to mean? H of -4 equals 33. That is going to tell us that there is a point at -4, which is our x. The y value will be 33. And we'll check that out on Desmos in just a second. So let's go ahead and go to the second one and just practice it one more time. First one had a negative in there. So we're going to go to the second one. It's got a positive, and we're going to do the exact same thing, but this time the input is going to be 6. So I'm going to write h of 6 equals 6 squared. Okay, wherever I see an x, I'm going to put a 6. So minus 2 times 6 plus 9. And I just keep working it down. So we know 6 squared is 36. -2 times 6 is -12 plus 9. And then we just keep working. H of 6 equals, well, 36 minus 12. Well, 36 minus 12 is 24. And 24 plus 9 is 33. So what does that mean? We've got the point, which is we put in an x6, and we're going to get out the value 33. Okay, so let's go to Desmos. Let's check out how we can do this with some help of some technology today. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to type in our function. H of x equals to x squared minus 2x plus 9. And I'm going to try to center that as best as we possibly can. And in the second row, because I've given it a name, h of x, I can actually type in this function notation of h of -4 because I've typed it in function notation. So I can type h of -4, and guess what? It gives us that answer that we originally came up with of 33. Now, another way we can also do this is recognizing that x was equal to -4 in our problem. So I can actually type in x equals -4. And when we do this, it verifies that our point of intersection is that answer. Okay, so -4 and 33. So that's one way of doing that. So let's just go ahead while we're here. We'll go ahead and check our second problem, which was h of 6. So just to go through it one more time, I'm going to actually type in what is h of 6. Type in h of 6 and we get the value of 33. So that verifies that this is correct. Okay, but we can also, because x is equal to 6, I can also type in x equals to 6, and I can look for that point of intersection, and that verifies that value as a coordinate point 636. All right, I hope that helps you out with using function notation on quadratics and checking it with Desmos.